Lay down.
Okay.
Stay.
1, 2, and 3.
What's up, YouTube? Big Tom Science. Here I have the biggest dog treat in the world. It's the femur. Rocky sit. Rocky sit. It's the femur from a cow. It's actually really huge. That's the knee bone right there. So, yeah, it's been cut by the saw. And it stands probably about like 14 inches. So here it is, probably weighs like close to 15 pounds or so. And here it is. Rocky. Rocky, sit. Give me a paw. Hey, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Head down. Head down. Give me paw. Give me paw. Lay down. Head down. Head down. There you go, Rocky. It should have taken maybe about like a few hours to eat. I'm just joking. Big Tom Science.